70,000, yes, 70,716 security clearance jobs. Wow. Come closer. I have something I want to share with you. Working in the government as a contractor will give you valuable experience and an excellent network of contacts within the federal government as well. I had the pleasure recently of being interviewed by ClearanceJobs.com. ClearanceJobs is the largest career network for professionals with a federal government security clearance. And this is not a promotion or an affiliate opportunity. Now, I know you might be saying,
isn't working as a contractor the opposite of working directly with the federal government, Lisa? After all, this is easy federal resumes.
To that, I say no. In all actuality, it is my perspective, as I've said, that working as a contractor is an excellent way to segue directly to working with the federal government and building those necessary relationships, which is very much the more you need to know. Now, mind you, what I did not say was guaranteed way, because whether you work as a contractor for the federal government, all roads are going to lead to USAJOBS.gov. There's no way around it. As I see it, they're equivalent to USA Jobs, but on the civilian side. Their sole focus is persons with U.S. government security clearances. They've been at this since 2002. They're trusted by top defense intelligence government contractors as well as federal agencies. Right there on their website, ClearanceJobs.com, you can search for what I saw was 70,716 security clearance jobs from more than 2,000 pre-screened hiring companies. As I've looked at their website, they're committed to providing a secure and private career network to fill jobs to safeguard our nation. Security cleared professionals, most particularly those of you who have newly transitioned out of the military or are thinking about it, as well as veterans, longtime veterans, or those who have served in the reserves, your security clearance can be retained or at a minimum readily vetted, allowing you to make a smooth transition into the workforce either in your current field or aid you as you attempt to crosswalk your set of skills into another field. Now, don't get it twisted. Even though it's working as a government contractor, there's still a significant amount of paperwork that you're going to need to complete. But it is way easier than applying and obtaining a federal government job on USAJobs.gov. As you well know, we talk about that a lot. The bureaucracy. If you consider becoming a government contractor for Uncle Sam, truth be told, the pay is good. And unlike working on a GS pay scale, which we've talked about a lot and you can check out, your salary is going to depend on the role you fulfill on the contract, as well as the agency that you're going to work for. But there are trade-offs that exist. Becoming a government contractor can help you earn more money than being a federal employee, but the benefits are vastly different, as is the job stability. If you want to learn more about some of the benefits of working for the federal government, I suggest you check out this playlist. So, what did I talk about during this podcast? Well, everything that we talk about here on this channel with the smartest applicants in the world. One of the questions that I asked after the podcast was, what is the difference between a resume for a contractor and a resume for the federal government? And what I found out was, it depends. It's better to have the ability to downsize your tailored resume for a position which you're applying for as a contractor rather than going the other way.
And do not use your tailored contractor resume to upload it to USAJobs.gov.
I've covered before in this video that you can print, save, and proof your federal resume simply by copying it into Word and edit it away. Working as a contractor is something I've never had any experience with, but as as you know, I'm hypervigilant, and I'm sure some content will be showing up here on Easy Federal Resumes and More as I learn more about the process. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you're certain not to miss any content posted. Bye for now.